Well, good evening and welcome to Dr. Frankenstein's PC Laboratory. Excuse me. Welcome to a late night video of mine. Just be warned, I am a bit inebriated right now. Not that bad, but still, yeah. Some mannerisms might come from this, so use your fair warning. So, and cheers. But yeah, welcome to this little project of mine. I bought myself a PC today. A newer one. Say welcome to the Lenovo ThinkCenter M72 model. I think it's 3493 or something. This little thing here, it's actually, focus, hello, focus, thank you. This little thing here is actually a bit of a good upgrade path for, that's a good upgrade path for stuff, so yeah, but first, there's a few matter of attentions we have to do first, before we do any upgrading on this one. The first thing is determining what BIOS revision this one is on. So if it's not to the latest one, we have to flash it to the newest one, and let's see what happens. But yeah, without further ado, let's do the good old smoke test and fire it up. Well, got a heartbeat from it, but yeah, the BIOS revision seems a bit weird. It says a BIOS revision of Australia, I think, or Austria. I'm not sure, but at the moment, I'm gonna see if I can coax some kind of a Lenovo update system into it and see what it does. So. But yeah, so far I like the machine. It's actually nice and quiet. Despite that goddamn hard drive churning around like a son of a whore there. That's no good. And my camera not focusing right at the moment. So, yeah. But we got a lifetime from it. That's a bonus. So, without further ado, I shall return once I found out with the BIOS stuff and whatnot. Because we need an updated BIOS. In order of focus, thank you. In order of being able to doing some nice CPU upgrades. We got that Lenovo system update setup ready. So let's do it. See what happens. What it does, what it doesn't. And at the moment, I'm getting pretty damn pissy annoying with the speed of a main drive of the mechanical variety. Oh freaking my god, in a handbasket it runs like slow as shite. Well, after a lot of faffing about, thank you Lenovo, we are now finally trying to write a BIOS to this thing here. Oh man, the hoops I had to go through. I might be getting old on computer stuff. But you know what? It seems like it's working. So far, updating main block, 70-80%. So, it seems like it's going good. Please do not remove your power. Yeah, okay, I won't. I won't remove any power. Reading flash. Good. Seems like it's working. That's freaking dandy. I didn't like that noise. Yeah, welcome back, computer. Good morning. BIOS is being updated. This is fun. It's been a long time since I'd used all of those noises. They really make me like paranoid right now. Come on, buddy. Please, flash. FlashGordonMe.com. FlashMeUp.com, please. It's going fine so far. Good. DOS Flash Utility. That's been an old hag. I know it's still an UEFI BIOS, but man, a UEFI BIOS you have to update by DOS. Nah, and disk. No, that's an old thing. But it's okay. I can manage. So, big test. Does it start up? Those noises though. Aye. Come on, buddy. Do we have a heartbeat? Yes, we have Windows back again. Good. We have a heartbeat. BIOS updated. I think I'm gonna cut the day for now. I'll just have to go into the BIOS and check the revision for now. Well, after much faffing about, we got BIOS updated on this one. And it is time to say goodbye to this piece of crap of a processor. Holy smokes in a handbasket. Intel Pentium G645. Won't you just go down and find a place to go obsolete? Intel Pentium G645. That thing is not a processor. Oh, well, it is a processor. If you want just the main basics of stuff. Do I have an upgrade for this one? But I think that thing's gonna wait for tomorrow. I am tired. I had a few too many beers. And I just want to sleep and relax for the rest of tonight. So, without further Donski, this thing is gonna be upgraded tomorrow. Bye hard drive, bye processor, new stuff, new old stuff incoming. Bye. Well, got the BIOS flashed last night and got the good old Dr. Frankenstein laid to bed. Now I'm awake. I'm my good old self. So let's continue on with this. We actually need to get to the CPU down there and replace the hard drive with an SSD, and might as well just chuck in my Blu-ray drive into this one. So yeah, that's the plan for the day for this one. Right, that did go faster than I expected. Kudos to Lenovo, by the way. This is actually quite a nice system to be able to open it up like this and close it again. And yeah, Lenovo, you got my seal of approval on your system. So yeah, we've now the processors now installed, and it took the Core i5 pretty damn well, which is awesome. And yeah, I was debating on giving it more RAM, but I don't have any more RAM at the moment, so it's gonna run with 4 gigs for now, and then we'll see what we can do. But yeah, let's just clap this up and get some Windows onto it again. Yeah, well, sorry about the mess. And my hello feed. So yeah, the PC is now situated down there. Actually quite a nice place to park it. Got myself a wireless cheapo keyboard and mouse set, which actually works fine. Might buy another one. And yeah, screen's still there, so onwards to the next project of the day.